I was sent over this lip serum by Dr. Leo, and this lip serum, it's supposed to be a multi-peptide lip serum, anti-aging, plumbing, hydrating lip balm that is going to make your lips more soft. It helps with fine lines, with flakiness, a lot of good things. Let's see how it comes. This is what it looks like. And I like this nice round tip. Oh, it feels nice. It feels really soft. It has no smell. It just feels velvety on your lips. So you're gonna be giving some nice velvety kisses. It has caffeine, which reduces fine lines and brightens. Anti-aging 4-in-1 lip serum for instant and long-term results. It's going to give you a nice pumping effect while it's hydrating. Love it.